Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this video. So, I just simply want to explain to you guys what cryptocurrency is all about and the aspect of trading cryptocurrency as well. So, this is just like a short masterclass on what cryptocurrency is all about because many people reached out to me telling me that they don't understand the meaning of cryptocurrency, they don't know what Bitcoin is. So, I am going to explain it here in this short video. Then, after explaining it, if you think that you want to venture into cryptocurrency, you can now get the TCA course, which is the Thermos Cryptocurrency Academy course. So let's dive right in. So what is cryptocurrency? You know you must be hearing of cryptocurrency, or even Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency or online money designed to work as a means of exchange. It typically does not exist in physical form like paper money, and it's typically not issued by a central authority. So cryptocurrency now is just like a digital money. You get the point. You cannot see it. It's not like your naira note and all this stuff you see. No, it's just like a digital currency. It's just like a digital money. It is used online. You can't actually see it. And in the aspect of cryptocurrency, it has no middleman involved. You understand? It's just between you and the person you're selling or sending this crypto to. There is no middleman to interfere in the money or whatever, your money or the money you're sending to someone. So the history of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first digital form of money and peer-to-peer system involved in the internet using blockchain technology and internet value, which can be transferred anywhere in the world without the interference of bank, third party, government protocols, or any financial institution globally. So the reason why Bitcoin was actually created, Bitcoin was created mainly for the purpose of decentralization. With centralization, the need of middleman are removed and hence transactions are done peer to peer without no intermediaries. Now, Bitcoin, as we know, is the first digital currency created, and Bitcoin was created around 2008 or 2009, I think. Should be 2009. Yeah, Bitcoin was created around in 2008. So when Bitcoin was created, it was just the first digital currency, and it was created by Satoshi Nakamoto, I think. So Bitcoin now, this Bitcoin now is based on blockchain. You understand? And why running any transaction that concerns Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as a whole, there is no middleman to interfere in your transaction. Not like this our bank now, when you send somebody, when you want to send somebody money, your name will appear, your surname will appear, the person's bank name will appear, everything. But here in crypto, you even want to send someone digital currency now, your name won't appear. You understand? So, but it's just like an open source technology. You have access to every all transaction you'll be seeing, but your name will not be there. You understand? So that name now, it will be replaced with just all these combination of words, alphabet, and numbers. You understand? So the major reason why Bitcoin was as well created was for the purpose of decentralization. Decentralization means the removal of the middleman involved. Like I just explained, if you want to send money to somebody now, the middleman, that central bank will look into the money you're sending. And if it's much, let me say you cannot send up to 1 billion to somebody. You understand? Because if you send up to 1 billion, central bank will look for you. You understand? And they will likely freeze your account, or they will not even allow the transaction to go. They'll come a bit ask you, how do you make your money? What are you working? You understand all these embarrassments? You understand? Resisting you of your freedom to your own money. So in the aspect of cryptocurrency, you can send 1 billion to somebody and the person will receive it in less than 10 minutes. If you're transferring Bitcoin to somebody, the transaction will go in less than 10 minutes. If you're transferring other coins, like all these Litecoin to someone, all these ALT coins, that transaction will go in less than a minute. Yes, in less than 30 seconds, the person has received the coins, 1 or 2 minutes. But in the aspect of Bitcoin, if you're transferring Bitcoin to somebody, highest 9 to 10 minutes, the person has received the Bitcoin. Even if it's 10,000 worth of Bitcoin, one send the person, you have it and you transfer it. Bank don't have any business. Even the transaction that went, it's like I told you, Bitcoin is just like an open source. Blockchain is just like an open source technology. You understand? All transaction you're doing, even the transaction myself does, you can just go to this platform, this website. Actually, I explained this thing in the course. So there's this website you're going to go to. When you go to the website, you see all transaction that is going on in the whole world. You understand? You see the digit and the amount of transaction that was made, how many pieces of Bitcoin that was sent from this person to this person, but you not see the name of the people there. Just like if you want to go and send money, like the same Peter Obi sent money to Adobe, or Adobe send money to Tinubu or whatever. No, this stuff doesn't work like this. You get the point? Because there is no name there. Names are not there. This is just when you send it, you see the transfer and everything, but your names will not appear there. So there's this stuff they call it that will replace your name. It's just like scatter like this alphabet and numbers to replace your name. You understand? So, but the major reason why Bitcoin was actually created was to remove this decentralization so that you can get your freedom and access your money full. So the history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency continues. So Bitcoin was created 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto. You understand? So this was the man that created Bitcoin. And in 2008, the first Bitcoin transaction was done. In 2010, the first Bitcoin marketplace exchange was as well created. So around May that same 2010, the first online Bitcoin purchase was made by a young man named Laszlo, who bought 2 pieces of pizza with over 10,000 Bitcoin. And as of today, the value of that 10,000 worth of Bitcoin worth over $300 million. Now, this is something that really happened. Maybe you must have heard of this story of a guy that bought pizza for 10,000, just 2 pieces of pizza for over $10,000. It's true. Around that kind of 2010, 2009, Bitcoin don't have any value. You understand? So Bitcoin was just like, even you and I, that then they were still mining Bitcoin. You and I can mine like 10,000. Let me say, we can mine like 50 to 100 Bitcoin in a day. You understand? So it's just like all this network, you see, all this Pi network and all this thing now that when Pi was created, that was last 2 years, I think. You can mine up to 100 Pis in a day. But as time goes on, the mining rates reduce. So it's just like Bitcoin now. When Bitcoin was created around 2009, you can mine like 100, 200 Bitcoin in just a single day. You understand? So because the mining process was very, very fast. So this guy had over more than 20,000 watts of Bitcoin, and he just used 10,000 watts of Bitcoin to purchase just 2 pizza. Pizza that even in a way here, God, even in my state here, you can get pizza for 10,000 naira or 7 or 8,000 naira. You just like this guy just wasted his generational wealth. Even if you're the person that owns like Jesus Christ of that 300 watts, hey, no, now it's too much. It's like $300 million. This one is that you even keep eating, the wealth will not even finish. This is just like generational wealth. But the guy just spent the money to just purchase just 2 pizza worth of 10,000 Bitcoin. You understand? Because he never knew the value. You understand? Though he was into crypto then, but he never knew that Bitcoin was going to increase very fast. But if this guy had to save this money, you understand, save this Bitcoin, then at least by now he must come out the world richest person. You understand? But he lost that opportunity. So that is just it. So October 16, Bitcoin is purchased and traded as a currency for the very first time. So around October 16, you can trade Bitcoin. That was same 2010. You can trade Bitcoin. You understand? So November 6th, Bitcoin capitalization count Bitcoin that the market cap Bitcoin capitalization amount was over $100,000. $1 million, sorry. So the capital that is market cap of Bitcoin clocked $1 million as of November 6, 2010. So the history of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin continues. These are just like the characteristics of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is fast. Bitcoin is centralized asset. Centralized means the removal of middleman. There's no middleman involved there. Bitcoin are open source technology network. Bitcoin is made up of node. Bitcoin is secured privately. Internet of Things, that's IoT. So this Bitcoin, maybe you must have heard of Bitcoin before from somebody. Don't think that Bitcoin exists in physical form. It's a digital stuff. You understand? And you cannot see Bitcoin with your naked eyes. Bitcoin can't be seen with your naked eyes. Don't get confused by people. Not tell somebody to buy you Bitcoin. The person go and break one coin and tell you it's Bitcoin. No, it's not in a physical form. It's just like a digital stuff. It is done online via the internet. So this Bitcoin now, you yourself, you can buy Bitcoin. You can buy 10,000 watts of Bitcoin. If you have 10,000 naira with you, Nigerian currency, you can buy that 10,000 watts of Bitcoin. But it will not be up to one Bitcoin because the current price which Bitcoin is trading now should be $31,000. Right, 31,000. If you convert it in Nigerian, that's over 15 to 16, I'll be 17 million. You understand? So how can you use 10,000 naira to buy 70 million? Like you buy a let me see, you're buying in bulk, like little by little. That's what I mean. You can buy Bitcoin with as low as 5 to 10,000 dollars, $20,000. You understand? But if you now want to buy one Bitcoin, then you have to buy it for around that kind of 15 to 16 million. You understand? You can buy via Binance, you can buy via a trusted vendor, but it's not advisable to even buy from vendors. Just buy from exchange like Binance. Binance is the highest, the world largest trading exchange in the world. So it's just the highest, and that's the reason I make use of it up till now. So that is just it for the some of the characteristics of Bitcoin. So understanding the terminology of cryptocurrency language. Here I'm just going to be giving you only 10. But in the course that is the Temos Crypto Academy, the TCA course, we have over 50 of them and it's explained in details. So this hold, the actual spelling is hold. It is the act of holding on to a coin for a long term, buying and holding a coin for a long term. And number two, we have diamond hand, holding on a coin for long and not selling. Number three, we have dip, a high fall of value of crypto, of a particular crypto, a particular asset. Number four, we have pump, massive movement of a coin in an uptrend due to much buyers. Number five, we have dumping, massive sharp downtrend movement of a coin due to much sellers. Number six, we have fold, fear of uncertainty and doubt. Number seven, we have FOMO, fear of missing out. Number eight, we have JOMO, joy of missing out. Number nine, we have NFA, not a financial advice. And number 10, we have whales. So let me explain this whale now. These whales are wealthy traders. These are traders that trade Bitcoin. Like if they want to enter a particular trade now, they can use like 20 to 30,000 watts of Bitcoin or even 10 to 50,000 watts of Bitcoin, you understand, to enter a trade. And once they enter that trade now, they're in control of the market. If you yourself now predicted that the market was going to go down and these whales enter the market and predict that the market is going to move up, that's the aspect of trading. I'm going to come to that aspect. So if this will enter the market now and predict that the market is going to move up, it's advisable you follow the trend, follow them to trade. Because if you're predicting that and okay, let's say you're using like $1,000 or even let me say you're using like $10,000 to predict that the market is going to go up, and a whale is using like 10,000 watts of piece of Bitcoin or watts of Bitcoin or 20,000 to enter a trade, predicting that the market is going to go up. Now, you that predicted down and the person that predicted up with 10,000 watts of Bitcoin, who do you think that is going to move the market? You see, these are the whales. So they are called the market movers. They move the market. So anytime you notice that the whales are in the market, it's advisable you take advantage and also enter and make pretty money for yourself and pull out too. You understand? Because Bitcoin is all about increasing and decreasing. You understand? So that's cryptocurrency for you. Just like trade. When you're trading, you predict up and the market still go up and go down again. You understand? So this is how trading works. So that's way for it. These are, you can call them wealthy traders. These are Bitcoin lords. You understand? People that someone that has over, let me see, over 10,000 words of Bitcoin, they move the market to any direction they want. If they want to predict the market down, they can predict. If they want to predict the market up, they can predict. So these are they are called the wealth traders. They are the wealthy traders. So not like you and I that use like 1,000 to 2,000 Bitcoin. I want to move the market. Though with your money, you can still make a pretty cash via trading. You understand? I'm not trying to say that you must have over 10,000 watts of Bitcoin before you can be able to move the market. No, that's not what I said. But with your $1,000 or even $50 to $100, you can begin to trade and make a lot of money for yourself by building your portfolio, and boom, you're already rich from cryptocurrency alone. So that is it. So for you to know more about this terminology of cryptocurrency, I explained over 50 of them in my course. So get the TCA course and you have access to all this stuff. So let's move into cryptocurrency trading. Yes, so this is the major reason why I am doing this video. Because someone said he or she don't understand how Bitcoin is. Many persons reached out to me and they don't understand the cryptocurrency as a whole, not talk of crypto trading. So if you've watched this very part, just listen carefully while I explain cryptocurrency trading. So these are the trading you see that make people billionaires and trillionaires and millionaires. You understand? Or the cryptocurrency billionaires, trillionaires. This is the actual aspect of cryptocurrency that makes them this freaking rich. You understand? So what is crypto trading? Crypto trading involves speculating on price movement via an exchange trading account or buying and selling the underlying coin via an exchange. So this is just like predicting, let's just call it predicting that a particular asset or Bitcoin or Ethereum, a particular asset will be going up, just like what I explained recently. Just like predicting that a particular asset, let me see, the actual price of Bitcoin now is $30,000 now. So now the actual price is 30,000. And you predict that Bitcoin is going to move to $40,000. So that your prediction that Bitcoin is going to move to $40,000. If Bitcoin now move from that 30,000, let me say is in $30,100 and it move to $30,200, you're in profit. $30,300, you're in profit. $30,400, 32,000, 33,000, you're in massive profit and you've made a lot of money. If you're someone that is like $100 to enter a trade and you predict that Bitcoin was going to increase from $30,000 to $40,000, you must have made over 10,000 $10,000 with that your $100 you use. If you use like $1,000 to enter, and it cannot just climb. It will take time. Maybe it can take months, years, or time. You understand? But if you just eventually clock that $40,000, you've made a lot of money for yourself. So you can begin to trade with like $10, $20, any amount of dollar you want to use. But it's advisable for me. I would advise my students to begin trading with $30. When you fund your account with $30, then you can split it to three places. That's $10. This enter a trade. In case if this one goes against you, this one must be in profit. If this one goes against you, the other one must be in profit, and you begin there to train yourself. You understand? So all these things are practically explained in the course, the TCA course, that's the Temos Crypto Academy, is practically explained in the course. You get to learn all this stuff here in the course. So this crypto trading now, I would have explained. So let me give you a brief explanation as well. So cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling of digital assets to make profit. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution. Like I said, the middleman are removed. That is the decentralization aspect of cryptocurrency. So the middleman are removed. Nothing like bank interfering to your money. Just you and the buyer and seller. You understand? So that is just it. So you can see this course, this Binance crypto trading course. This is a course designed by me. Is also inside the cryptocurrency, that's the TCA cryptocurrency masterclass. Is inside my course too, but it's just like a separate course on its own, but it's inside the course. So this course now is going to teach you all about Binance. When I mean all about Binance, from downloading Binance from your Play Store, when you go to Play Store, you see it there, just like it's in form of PDF. You understand? So I took time to design the course. I screenshot the course. Then when I screenshot, let me see, I'm on Google now. Go and screenshot the Play Store and then put a write up there, which you just read and follow the instruction. As simple as that. So it's designed. You understand? So this Binance Cryptocurrency Trading Academy is personally covered by me. I covered all aspects of Binance, everything concerning Binance, how to fund your wallet, futures. In the futures aspect, I cover how to buy coins, how to sell coins, how to trade spot market on Binance. All is covered in this course. And the course has pictures, like I said, the screenshot I put there. You just have to view the picture and implement what you're learning from it. So this course alone worth over 20,000 naira, but everything you're getting in this Temos Cryptocurrency Academy worth it, you understand? So but I will not tell you the actual price for now until you watch this video to the end. That's when you're going to know the actual price to buy this course. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So in this cryptocurrency Binance crypto trading course, teach you everything you need to know about Binance. You understand? How to verify your account on Binance, how to buy and sell, how to trade coins on Binance, how to buy via P2P, everything I covered it there. So this course, as you're getting the Thermos Crypto Academy course, is inside it. You get to learn everything about Binance. So that is it. So let me show you some of my trading results. So I'll move over to my gallery so I can show you some of my trading results that I've made from trading cryptocurrency as a whole. Okay, I don't know if you're actually seeing this stuff very well. You can see this is May. You can see these are my May results of trading. So let me just show you the results of my trading. You can see my name, Internet Demo. So let me bend my screen so you can see it clearly. So watch here. You can see here I made over 9% of my exact capital at 20x. So you can see this is 40% on this actual coin, and this is 47%. These are my winning rates. You understand? Got my name there. You can see these are my trading this thing. So you can see this is 70, this is 90, 30% in times 20 leverage. So you can see it, and this is 100, and this exact trade now clocked over 100 and something plus. And this exact trade, I remember I entered with $30. With my $30, I was able to flip this $30. Imagine flipping $30 to times, but that's 125%. That's trade like, let me see, flipping that $30 to this one. This is like it passed. Let me see, $30. I made over with that $30. I was able to make over 200 and something dollars from this exact trade. This was like $30 now times this 105%. That's 105% of $30. Imagine how much it is. So I made over 100 and something. I was around 130, I'll be $150 from this exact rate at times 25 leverage. Look at the leverage times 20 leverage. Sorry. So you can see the trade actually went fine. So and this is, let me show you that in this cryptocurrency, as long as you're making money, you can also lose money. So here you can see this KAVAUSDT. You can see it's shining red, which means I was losing money as at that moment. You understand? So, but you don't have to panic, because in the aspect of risk management, when you go through the course, it's going to teach you how to make use of your risk management and how to build a portfolio so you'll not lose that much. So here, I'm losing doesn't mean that I've actually lost the money. So maybe the market will reverse and I'll be in profit. So let's check out. So you can see this KAVA now. Just watch what happened. So here in the paper I made over 70% and it was climbing. So you can see it. So that KAVA, I know I went back to profit at that KAVA. So you can see these are my results. These are my results as well. You can see this one clocked over 70% on a particular trade. So you can see it. These are my results. There are lots of them. So just like this coin now, you can see it. These are my losses as well. So it's just the same coin. The THETA blah blah blah. So you can see it went 45. This means I was in massive loss. I lost money here. See, so I had to close the trade. So why I'm actually showing you this stuff is that just for you to know that you can as well lose money from cryptocurrency trading as well. You understand? Not actually making money. You can lose money if you didn't actually do your fundamental and technical analysis with that before entering a trade. So these are also my profits. So what I'm trying to tell you is that all traders loses. Even the top traders you're seeing, all these top cryptocurrency traders you're seeing, all these whales, they lost. You see the way they are making millions, they are also losing millions, but they will not tell you. But me, I'm going to tell you that currency is kind of freaks, but if you do it the right way and begin to build a portfolio, begin to take these freaks, definitely you're going to become a wealthy trader for life. So get my crypto Temos Crypto Academy and also Crypto Academy course and then start your crypto journey. So this is it. These are my okay, fine. Let me just use that as an example now. You can see this, you can see these are my losses, you understand, because I overuse leverage and it's not good. So I'm just trying to show you something. So these are my losses. You can see this LTC now. I use 58 leverage, which is not actually good. You understand? So and I made over, I recovered all the money I made too. You understand? So I was actually trading with anger, but it's never good to trade with anger. You can see it. So it recovered all the money I actually lose. You can see it is clocked over 121% of the exact amount I used. You can see it is when it clocked 100%. So this is actually my wins, and these are my losses too. Just like this Reno USDT now. You can see I was losing here because I actually did my fundamental and technical analysis. You can see the lose was 20%. Here it was 80%, 18%. You can see, and it went to 20%, and I was losing. So I know that my analysis, I trusted my analysis that it was going to go fine. You understand? Because I know what I analyzed in the market. This was earlier June, July. This June we are now, earlier June. So I made this analysis, and it was 20%. That's minus 20% of my exact capital for trading. So you can see it was now reversing and it was in minus 1% now. Boom! I'm already in profit, 23%. It keeps going, 28%. You can see it. So that is to show you that even if you're in profit, you don't have to panic. In the risk management aspect, I covered all this stuff. You don't have to panic, just calm down. The market is going to reverse as long as you know what you did. But if you cannot actually analyze a trade to be in massive profit, then trade signals. Then as time goes on, you learn how to analyze coins for yourself. You understand? So like here now, I use times 4 leverage, very very good. You understand? Because I'm in the safer side. Before the liquidation will even reach me, I must have made a lot of money. It can't even reach me because it's very very far. So I know you will not understand all these stuffs, but definitely if you get the TCA course, you're going to get it. If you watch this coin NKN, I was in loss of minus 2%, and here boom, 11%. I'm in profit. So that is it. What 10%, 28, 24% in this 1000 per USDT. You can see it. So you can see it. So this coin now also, I also did an analysis for it. That was minus 4%. You can see minus 6%, minus 9%, 10%, and boom. This EOS now, I also did an analysis that I was in 25%. So this was that 18%. This CRV, you can see it. So I was in losing this CRV, lose. I held the stuff for over. I held this actual coin now. This one now. This CRV, and I held this trade for 2 days because I was shining red. I was in loss for 2 good days. I held the trade, and in the second day, that was around night time, night period, it entered profit. So this is the profit. Let me show you the profit. It went back to profit. You can see it. So it's from that minus 20 something, it entered plus 13%, and that was how I ride on that stuff. So you can see this US too. I was once in profit. I was once in loss in this US minus 40%. This coin took me as well. That was a day and a half to make this profit. So I slept that night. I entered this coin in the night. I entered this trade in the night. So I slept that night. Then woke up and I was seeing over 140%. That is, I'm a massive profit. And here I made over 200 and something dollars because I used $50 to enter this trade, and I made over 200 and something dollars. That was it was roughly $300, but it was not up to $300. To show you the kind of money we make from cryptocurrency from this stuff. So these are some of my results, and these are my analysis. These are trades I analyze. Show you that I am really good in what I'm doing. You can see if you watch. Let me just minimize it. You can see I entered this trade when it was in this round. You can see this long tail, this shadow now. So I entered the trade and now it's already on profit. The analysis I make before I enter any market. So these are my trading analysis as well. There are lots of them. So you can see my system. I use it to analyze coin, analyze the market. This is fundamental analysis. You're going to learn this thing as well in the TCA course. How to analyze a coin and trade and make a lot of profit for yourself. So this is all about it. You can see this is my tablet I make use to analyze the trade, and this was the last trade, that EUS I analyzed, that gave me over 140%. You understand? So you can see EUS USDT. I entered the market here and boom, it went up to 760% up, and I was still massive profit. So I went over 200 and something percent in this exact trade at times 30 leverage. So this is just, you can see the clear view of the EUS. You can see where I entered. I entered here, this place now, this second, this was where I entered when it was in loss. You understand? And you can see where it is. It reached over 750 this thing before it started going down again. So I made a lot of profits, and I woke up and I left the market because I've made money for that day. So that's it, just show. This is clear view of how to do analysis. So you're going to learn how to perform this fundamental analysis in the TCA course as well. So that is just it. So you can see the analysis was going fine. Then this is the Binance crypto trading course I talked about. You have access to it in the TCA course. So that is just it. So let's go over to the masterclass and continue with what we are actually doing. So see you in the masterclass. Okay, so but before then, let me show you some of the results of my not actually my students, some of the results from people that are actually trading crypto, my colleagues. So you can see this guy said good morning the family, because this is the family I belong to. I made my half of my portfolio in less than 10 minutes. You can see it. So he made over 127%. And here again, this one made over 2000 2000. Imagine if this guy entered this trade with like $100, he must have flipped this is his $100 now to over $2,000, because it's 2,672% of the exact initial amount he used to enter the trade. Let's say he used like $30, he must have made that around that kind $1,000 from this exact trade at times 20 75 leverage. So that is just show you that cryptocurrency can make you freaky rich. You understand? So this one, he actually closed this trade at 123%. He said, I closed it this morning. I shall just read for yourself. You see, so he held it for 2 good days. You can see. So let me read it out for you. I closed this morning. I shall see Shege, but patience is best with the good risk management. You understand? Remember, I held for 2 days. So this guy was in loss for 2 good days, and the market reversed, and he was in profit again. You understand? Because he held for 2 good days. You can see, and he made this amount of he made this in return, the percent of his actual initial capital he used. So if you use like $50 to enter this trade, he has made 123% of that $50. You understand? So at times 10 leverage, shorting the market. So reason that the market was going to go down. So let's go back to the masterclass. So like I said, I've showed you some of the results of myself and also my colleagues as well. So let's go to the these are the insights of the TCA course. These are the table of content in the TCA course. All you're going to be learning in TCA course. So let me explain very, very well. So in this TCA course, you're going to learn all this and many more. So number one, we have course introduction, we have disclaimers, we have what is cryptocurrency. Before we have change the value of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. You get to understand all this stuff. Understanding the terminology of cryptocurrency, like I said, I covered over 50 to 60 of them. You're going to I practically explained everything there. You're going to understand it better. So that even if you see a crypto trader, they are actually talking, someone would say FOMO, or you'd be like, wow, you'll be understanding their language, because that is that's cryptocurrency language. You understand? So you also understand their language. Sorry, I'm rushing this video. I just want to make it very short. So you also going to understand blockchain technology. I covered everything there. Fundamentals of cryptocurrency, types of cryptocurrency, difference between coin and token, cryptocurrency exchange and types as well. So you're going to learn advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency, market capitalization, trading versus investing, Binance cryptocurrency masterclass. That is the Binance masterclass. This course I actually told you about this one. So it is there. You're going to be learning it there as well. So Binance cryptocurrency masterclass. You're going to this number 15. I'm going to cover another exchange. That is the meaning of another exchange. Just like here now, I made use of Binance for everything I'm doing. So I'm also going to cover an extra exchange, maybe Bybit, or I'm going to make use of either Bybit or I'll use Bitly. You understand? Any trading exchange again to run a masterclass for you guys. So that is for those that will get my course. So that's the TCA course. So you're going to learn private and public keys details. You understand? That's the explanation of private and public keys. How to store your cryptocurrency, try types of wallets, how to set up your Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, types of investment portfolio you should have, understanding fundamental and technical analysis, when to buy and sell your cryptocurrency, risk management, scams to avoid in the crypto space, what to do after this course, PDF copies you should read as a trader, list of gem coins to buy, signals and support group, and number the last one we have bonuses. So this signal and support group, I have my signal and support group for my students. So if you want to become my student, just get the TCA course. It's very cheap. So get the TCA course. If you want to know the price, then come to my DM and ask me for the price. Get the TCA course and you begin your trading journey. So that's just it. So let me just show you the insights of the course and how I covered it, as simple as that. So it's just as listed like this. So let's go over to the course inside. So you can see this 0 means watch this one first. When you watch this video first, it's going to teach you how to make use of this course. You understand? This watch me first. You have the course introduction, disclaimers, what is cryptocurrency, changing value of cryptocurrency. Everything carries its own video. You can see changing value of cryptocurrency. The video is there. And these videos are less than 15 minutes. All of them are less than 15 minutes. The one that is higher than 15 minutes, that has more than even an hour or 30 minutes, is the aspect of fundamental and technical analysis. So all these ones are less than 15 minutes. You can watch this course for complete 2 to 3 weeks, but it's advisable you watch it over and over again so you can understand better and then you begin to trade. So you have the difference between coins and tokens, like I listed. These are all you're going to be learning: market capitalization, trading versus investing, Binance cryptocurrency masterclass. You're going to have access to it as well. Private and public keys and that exchange, how to store your cryptocurrency, trust wallet setup, all this stuff are things you're going to be learning in this course and many more. So these bonuses, I'm also going to be covering bonuses by His grace. So before this year runs out, I'm going to cover everything in the bonuses of cryptocurrency, because these bonuses I'm not actually covered because of my school stuffs and exams. So you see, it's very empty. So because of my exams, I'm having exams, like as I'm talking to you now, I'm having an exam by next week. So I don't have time to actually cover this stuff for now. You understand? So, but this bonus aspect, I'm going to cover it once after my exams, before this year runs out. Just keep praying for me; it's not released. So, but I've covered everything you need to know, and these are my social media handles. After watching the course, so just follow me on all these my social media handles as listed here. So you can check me on Twitter at the handle Internet Demo. Check me on my Twitter handle Internet Demo. You can check me on Facebook. This is my username. This is my username on Twitter. When you click on the link, you have access to it. So all these stuff are covered in this course, and you have access. The course is just simplified like ABC. So if you ever dreamed of becoming a cryptocurrency trader, then this is the right course for you. So let's go back to the masterclass. Yeah, so this is all about the cryptocurrency. This is all about cryptocurrency as a whole. You get the point. So if you want to start your trading journey, it's advisable you get the TCA course and begin your trading journey. So get the TCA course at a very discounted price, then start up your journey as a cryptocurrency trader. So like I said, you have your sports group where myself and my team will take good care of you and deliver you with signals daily. You get the point. So trading my signals, you're going to make freaking money for yourself as well. So if you're interested, you want to start cryptocurrency, you're a beginner, you don't understand Bitcoin, I practically explained all this. What I just did, I just broke it down. You understand? A bit. So what I explained in the course is times 20 better than what I just said here. But this is just for you to know, just an insight on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin as a whole and how trading works. So that's just what I covered. So thank you for watching the video. Then hit my DM to ask for the price of this course and as well start your crypto journey. Thank you.